What if I told you that right now, using AI tools that are completely free, you could create a product that earns money while you sleep? No factory, no warehouse, no shipping address whatsoever. Just your knowledge, a well-crafted prompt, and a few hours of focused work. That's the reality of digital products in 2026. And as an AI tools user, you are sitting on a gold mine that most people have not discovered yet. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to build digital products step by step and where to sell it. Let's get into it. Now, for the objectives of this lesson, first thing I want us to understand is why digital products are the smartest income model right now for AI users. And secondly, I want us to know, I'm going to show us how to create an ebook step by step. And thirdly, I'm going to give you the exact prompts for creating an ebook. And fourthly, I'm going to show you where to sell this digital product. And finally, I want us to understand the one mindset shift that separates earners from procrastinators. Now, this is very important. Let's get into it. Now, why digital products? Why digital products? Here's why I believe digital products are the single best income model for anyone who has learned to use AI. Now, think about it. A physical product, you make 1 unit, you sell 1 unit. You make 100 units, you sell 100 units. And the cost could scale with the sales. Now, for a digital product, it's completely different. It breaks that rule entirely. You can create it once, you sell it 1,000 times. The 1,000 sale cost you exactly 0. There is no inventory to manage, no packages to ship, no stock to run out of. And when someone buys your ebook at 2 a.m. on a Sunday, it delivers itself automatically. The margins are extraordinary. A 5,000 naira ebook that costs you nothing to produce is almost pure profit after platform fees. Try finding a physical product with margins like this. I don't think you get it. And here's the angle that most people miss. AI has completely removed the hardest parts of creating digital products. The research, the structure, the first draft. AI handles all of it. You direct, you refine, you add your expertise and your voice. Think of it this way. When I create a digital product, I'm not working alone. I have an AI assistant, an AI writer, an AI editor, and all working alongside me. Now, that's the mindset, and that's exactly how you should approach this. The next on our list is how to create an ebook. Now, the ebook is where most people should start. It's the fastest product to create and the easiest to sell. And also, it builds your credibility as an authority in whatever space you chose. Now, here are my 6-step process I use. The first thing is to choose a specific topic. The biggest mistake most beginners make is going too broad and asking questions like how to make money online or how to land your first international client as a freelancer. This will not sell. That's too broad. Your topic should solve one specific problem for one specific type of person. Now, we'll be using Claud for this. Claud. Copy the prompts. Now paste it into Claud and wait for your output. It will give you a list of topics. Now you pick from this topic. This topic touch a particular pain point for different people. Yeah. So you can see them. You can see the topics. Now from this topic, you pick one. You move into step 2. That's building your outline. Using same Claud, you paste this particular prompt, so it can help you build your outline. Now, after generating an outline, you have a complete structure. Now, step 3 is to write chapter by chapter, still using Claud. Now, prompt each chapter separately using the prompts provided, like this. Now, this will take a few minutes also. And after this is done and over with, we move on to step 4, which is to add your voice. Now, this step is the step most people skip, and it's one of the most important steps. Now, AI writes the foundation. You add your stories, your specific experiences, your local examples. That's what turns a good ebook into a great one. It takes just a few minutes, and you can do that with Google Docs. Now, after you're done with Claud, you download your ebook and you upload it to Google Docs, and you add your experiences, your voice, your local examples, and make it your own. Basically, make the ebook yours. Now, after this is done and over with, we move on to step 5, which is designing the cover on Canva. We open Canva, we search for ebook cover templates, and we customize the title, the subtitle, and brand colors according to whatever you want. And this can be done in 5 to 15 minutes. Yeah, it doesn't take time. Now, after this is done and over with, we move on to the next step, which is step 6, that's to publish and sell. For this step, we'll be using Seller. For the purpose of this video, we'll go with Seller. We go on to Seller, we create an account, we verify our accounts and upload our ebooks, and just like that, our product is live. Now, still on step 6, after uploading on Seller, this is very important. You need to write your product description using this prompt here. Just use Claud for this. You paste this prompt into Claud and it will write a very, very nice product description for us, and it will make it persuasive. And then you set a realistic target. I mean, 3,000, between 3,000 and 8,000 naira as beginners. I think that's realistic enough. And that brings us to the close of this lesson. The one thing that separates earners. I want to be honest with you, because I've seen this pattern play out over and over again. Two people learn the exact same thing, they both get excited, they both start building. One person launches in 2 weeks, the other is still perfecting their product 3 months later and hasn't made a single sale. The difference is not talent, it's not skill, it's not even quality. It's the willingness to ship. AI has removed the hardest parts. That's 80% of the work, which includes the research, the structure, the writing, the design. It's all dramatically faster than it used to be. But AI cannot make the decision to publish for you. That part is entirely yours. So here's my challenge to you. Choose one topic. Give yourself a few days. With the prompts I've provided, publish your topic. Don't just let it lay. Try to work on it. Your first product is definitely not going to be your best, but it will teach you more than any course ever could. And every day it sits on publish is a day it earns nothing. Now, the people making money from digital products right now are not the most talented creators. They're the ones who publish. Alright, so let's lock in what we'll learn today. We talked about digital products, how digital products are the most margin-rich, scalable income stream available to you right now. I also talked about ebooks and how to create an ebook from beginning to the hosting it live on Seller, using AI as your team. Now, the only thing standing between you and your first digital income is the decision to build. And in the next lesson, I'm going to be talking to my freelancers and the service providers. If you currently trade your time for money, the next video will show you how AI dramatically changes what you can deliver and how much you can charge for it. With this brings us to the close of this lesson. I'll see you in the next.